Greetings, Mind Body Wisdom fans, fans of Louise Hay, and fans of one of my favorite books, which is Deb Shapiro's Your Body Speaks Your Mind. Today we're going to talk a little bit about teeth and what they represent and what problems like cavities could actually mean emotionally and how you can clear them out. Now, of course, I dowse, which is just a tool to connect into my intuition and to reveal from my subconscious mind any fears or things I have that are just dwelling in there and may be causing issues, mouth issues or anywhere else in your body. And my book, Fearless Accurate Dowsing, was a bestseller on Amazon when it was released that very weekend. It's a great book. It's reasonably priced. And if you're interested in learning how to dowse, there it is. Now, teeth issues. Teeth are about being able to bite into stuff, right? And to chew it up and to digest it and just to sort of mull it around and chew things over, right? All these different sayings we have about our teeth are actually indicators of what could be going on if you have a problem. Like I had a little cavity growing on my back molar a few political elections ago. And I will admit I was scared that certain people would get into office because they were very greedy and they had nothing that they wanted to help their constituents with, and they wanted to take things from us, benefits that us older people had paid for all of our working life and stuff, our health care, our monthly income and things like that, that we had earned and paid into for what, 50 years? So I was frightened, and all I could do, was give money to the politicians who supported my beliefs and what I liked. I could talk to other people about how to vote. But basically, I had so much rage in my mouth that this little cavity started forming. And it was like there's a spot that is rotten in the foundation of politics. Does that make sense? That's how I translated it to be. And I went to the dentist and she found this little spot and she's like, well, we'll keep an eye on it, but I was thinking, yeah, you want to fill it so you could make some extra money off me. So I went home and I just started doing an emotional release on this. I dowsed for the information to find what my fears were, which were fears of not being safe. If these political opponents who are nothing but greedy and wanting to take things from people, if they got into office, it was a fear that the corruptness and the rottenness in government, in the foundation of government, the foundation of my mouth was represented here on the right side, that they would get in and just make things even worse. So I cleared it all out by clearing my governing vessel meridian, and that's just simply by either tapping under the acupressure points under your nose, or if you have a better range of motion in your arms, right, you can just go ahead and take your hand, put it in front of your mouth, and as you repeat clearing statements, you just say, as you run it over the top center of your head, down the back center of your head, back to your neck, and pull your hand away, and just keep going like that in a beautiful arc. One of my clients called it arcing, and I like that. You talk about, I now release my fear and terror that this corruptness in politics is just going to get worse. I release my fear that I'm not safe and the bad times are never going to get ended with these politicians who are so corrupt and so greedy, and they want to take things away from people who earn them. That's causing this little bitty cavity starting in my back molar. I release my anger and rage, my unspoken terror that these people are going to take control of the government and just screw up everything. They're nothing but self-serving, greedy, corrupt politicians, and I release my anger and rage at them. Instead, someday, if not today, I'll choose to send them love and unconditional love and angels to heal them from whatever made them this way. When you run for political office, in my point of view anyway, shouldn't you be serving your constituents, not effing with them and screwing them over? Yes. Obviously, this is a very sensitive subject for me. Still. Anyway, so I did clearings like that, and then I dowsed to make sure, are there one or more fears or non-beneficial emotions that are lodged in this back molar here there are. Okay, and I just go through the fears. It's a fear of not being safe, the bad times never ending. Is it about corrupt politicians? Yes. Well, see, I got really upset a few minutes ago, so let's just clear that out. I now release all remaining fears of not being safe because of the corrupt politicians, not only in my city, in my state, in my country, around the world, starting wars just because I want that country. I let this all go now. Oh, wow. Clearing, clearing, clearing. The bitterness, the disgust, feeling helpless and hopeless. And so it is. So you just talk and clear, right? And then, again, if you can douse, I'm just going to check really quickly. This is a yes answer. This is a no answer in my deviceless dowsing. I still have one or more fears or non-beneficial emotions trapped in this back molar that could be causing some kind of a dental ailment or an issue or a problem. Okay, then you can also check, this is another good way, back, bottom, right side molar, back, bottom, right side molar. I want to be sick. I want to be healthy. Yes. That is indication that a polarity reversal was corrected. Then you can go do a little time travel dowsing. Okay, back molar here, bottom right back molar. 20 minutes ago. Back bottom right molar. 20 minutes ago, I want to be healthy, I want to be sick. See, I had a polarity reversal, didn't even know it, so I made this video and it all came out. Thank you! And thank you for watching this far. You are a treasure. And please take good care of yourself, and when you learn this information, share it with other people, your loved ones, and with your animal friends. I mean, pretty much we all have teeth. Dogs, cats, other animals, and then all our loved ones. And even if you have loved ones who have dentures, like my grandparents and such, they can have gum problems and they can be affected by their emotions as well, and maybe that's why they had to get dentures. You have so much to offer so many people around the world, and you are changing the world just by being you, just by being here and shining your light. So thank you so much for watching. Check out my website, emorescue.com, for more free stuff, free ebooks, information. The 10 chapters of my book, Fearless Accurate Dowsing, are available if you sign up for my newsletter. So be well, be blessed. Thank you again. Namaste. Peace out. When you learn to douse, the universal wisdom is yours for the asking. Please check out my book, Fearless Accurate Dowsing, and any of my self-healing books, all available and very affordable on Amazon. Thank you.